Hi, my name is Christopher Hart. I'm a cartoonist and author of this new book called Drawing with Squiggles and Wiggles. It's for everybody, and I think you'll enjoy it. It's got tons of shapes and prompts for drawing improbable types of animals, some real, some maybe not so real. Anyway, today I'm going to show you how to draw a page from that, a character from that. We're going to start with this squiggle, a very squiggly wiggle. So I'll go carefully and see if I can get it. So we're going to start here with this kind of wavy line like this. All right, this wavy line on its side, kind of like a teardrop, but on its side. Like that, okay? Got that? I'll bring it down a little further so you can see it better. And we're going to continue this line so it's wavy on the other side, another teardrop on the other side, like this. And we'll finish with that teardrop below that. So there are really 3 teardrops like this, okay? And you can be a little messy, doesn't have to be precise. There are no such things as precise wiggles and squiggles. At least I haven't heard of them. Okay, so what is that? Of course, there are 3 birds. Let's see how. So first we'll put the eye right here at the edge. Wide open eye, kind of confused because he doesn't know what he's doing in this design. I'll show him later. And now we'll go to the other side right here and put another eye looking out this way, like so. And another big eyebrow gives the expression. As much as the eye, it really does. And how about one here, just to finish up? Let's make it a family of kooky birds. You have an errant line over here, just one floating around, making him look angry, so I'll take that out, because I don't want him to be angry. There we go, he's regular now. Okay, like this. So, it still doesn't quite look like a bird, does it? No, it's missing something. What could it be? Ah, a beak. Let's try that. Let's have the forehead slope down this way. The slope happens right here. It's very short, but it's important. Then bring it out here. Bring the beak down to a point, a little point, and then back into the bottom of the face, just like that. You see, the point's important to keep. It makes it look like a bird. We'll smooth that out a bit. And we'll give him a little bit of marking right here. Just curve that line down a touch and put the nostril right there. How about this? A little hair up here. Now this one, it's his turn. We'll slope that forehead a little bit more just to give him some character. And I'm having trouble drawing on my side, so I'm going to move it this way a little first. Yeah, that's better. And back again so you guys can see it. And curve it down into a little point. They're brothers, so they have the same kind of beak. And we will give that a little rounded marking over here. Another little nostril right at the top. And maybe a couple of scruffles like that. Same thing over here to finish up. Again, a little beak here and to the bottom of the cheek. Okay. Now we can ruffle the bottom of the feathers a bit. I'll open this up a bit right here so his neck isn't too thin. Yeah. And I'll darken the head a little bit so we can define it. Here is the beak, like so. And now let's see if we can add a little bit of markings. Now what I'm going to do first is I'm going to put gray here for all of them, right here. And I'm going to make the variations happen only at the tip of the beak. The color variations will happen only at the tip. Sometimes people think when you do a variation, everything's got to look different, but that's not true. Sometimes just a little bit will make the difference. And the fun in this is that they look so similar. So why make it look so different with the color? Let's just make a little bit of the tip of the color, the beaks, different. Yeah, that's one. And that's a pink. This is an aqua blue. Quite colorful little family of birds. And how about an orange over here? That's good. Something looks quite like an orange to me in those colors. And now I will just darken this a touch. Color gets very bold, and sometimes it means that you really need to step up the outline so that it's not overpowered by the color, which is what I'm trying to do right here. And then I will bring this down, darken this a bit. Same thing here. Oh, this head is a little short. I'm gonna open that up a bit. Yeah, that looks good. And right here. So there you go. There are your 3 birds based on 3 squiggles, naturally. Again, the book is Drawing with Squiggles and Wiggles. Thanks for watching. I hope you subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.